Hello. We'll be ready soon. I'm setting up the chat, so we'll be ready soon. Today's topic is gonna be about AI. We're trying out some AI stuff. Let me clean up my screen here and we'll be ready soon. Yeah, let's test out the chat. Today I'm gonna try out some AI hot stuff, such as AI agents. I think Manus, that's a new thing coming. Yep. Hopefully everyone giving my message on hello. Yep. Hello. Cool. Let's get started. You move this screen to the left. Hide it away. This one left. And then I can start sharing screen with you guys. Alright. So technology is moving fast, especially AI. New stuff coming out every day. Sometimes we are too busy in our day-to-day work, and we hear things, but we don't actually have time to actually deep dive into some of the hot stuff out there. So today I wanna spend some time trying some new AI stuff that I have been hearing about, but I haven't tried yet. So for example, agentic AI, or like recently I think Manus AI, is that the correct name? I don't know. The search phrase, I think it's Manus AI. Yeah, Manus AI. So what is Manus AI? It is a general AI agent that bridges mind and actions. It doesn't just think, it delivers results. Manus excel in various tasks in work and life, getting everything done while you rest. Use case gallery. Learn how Manus handles real-world tasks through step-by-step replays. Okay, trip to Japan in April. Deeply analyze Tesla stock. Interactive course on the momentum comparative analysis. Online store operation. List of YC community research and AI. So on and so forth. Hey, hello. Yeah, wow. Many people has come joining. Yeah, welcome. I hope you all have tried at least a couple of AI tools and AI tools are making your life so much easier. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite AI tools that you have been using. So for me, like some of the AI tools that I've been using is of course because I'm doing programming. So Cursor AI is one of them. Yeah, Cursor AI. it's like Visual Studio Code, but it's a version developed by Cursor, and it integrate AI into it, so it helps you do programming pretty fast and easy by chatting with AI, and it will show you like what have changed, like this one, and then you can just review the code and accept or modify further. Another AI tool that I use for development is like Copilot. It's called GitHub Copilot. It's not Microsoft Copilot, but GitHub Copilot. So here's GitHub Copilot. Just the same thing. You can type a prompt, and it will automatically write code for you. Hello, Brandley. Wow. Hi. Let me spend some time say hi to everybody here that have joined us today. Hi, Chris. Yep. So another tool that I use is also for coding as well is Windsurf. Yep, Windsurf, same thing. Is used for like kind of AI coding, and these companies are doing really well in terms of like fundraising. For example, Windsurf, what was that funding? Windsurf, so in August 2024, they announcing that they have raised 150 million in Series C's already, right? Hitting 1.25 billion valuation. That's huge. Then Cursor funding, December, they raised 100 million and Series B, and valuation of 2.6 billion. See, huge. All right. So these are 3 tools that I've been using for coding. Some other good stuff that I've been using is Blockade Lab, Skybox. Blockade Lab Skybox. This one allows you to create like 360 skybox that you can embed it into your game. So to make a immersive 3D 360 virtual environment. So these are some of the example. So like for example, like this one, so the prompt is like I need to accept first. So here's the prompt, and here's the result. You can see it's 360. You can scroll it, looking around. Beautiful. And I've been using this Blockade Labs Skybox AI to like create my own environments in the app that's called Sound Matter that I've been streaming. So if you search for Sound Matter strongbear, then it should pop up a couple of my videos in here. And then in Sound Matter, I used basically I use Skybox AI to generate the virtual environments that I can immerse myself in and make music inside Sound Matter. Another AI tool that I've been using is so I moved to a new house, and I need to fix some stuff in my house, and of course I need to do it according to a building code. So up.code, the one that I've been using. So with up.code, you have all the codes available, like building codes for for any state like Illinois and so all of the state in the US. And then you can read the code from here. And then they have the Copilot. They have Copilot AI. So you can ask questions like, for example, if I want to finish my basement, what should I do? Then it will give you step by step like what to do, and also like diagram, showing you diagram like this. But like yeah, you can try it out. Up.codes. Yep, and for general thing, I use of course ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I use their premium version. So with the premium version, one thing about the ChatGPT premium version is the ability to use your phone and then turn on the camera and then pointing at something and then ask it about the thing that you are pointing at in real time. So better interactive between AI and humans. That's really impressive. So for example, like if you are reading a book, then you can use the camera feature of the ChatGPT Premium, and then pointing at the book and ask question about the book. Yep. And then I could use like ChatGPT to, of course, like generate images. Gemini is another alternative to ChatGPT, and recently Grok. Yeah, Grok is pretty impressive too. So what I like about Grok is like it has the feature of deep search and deep think. So like with the deep search, it will if you ask it a question, it will go through all available resources over the internet. It's kind of doing the search for you. So basically, like normally you would go to Google and search for something and go to like different results and then read them and then decide by yourself what to do, right? But with Grok, it will do that for you. It will search the internet for you. So what else? Grok X, yeah, DeepSeek as well, but I haven't used DeepSeek much. I think of the new AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok, they have the deep search and deep think, and they introduced those new features because of DeepSeek. They had that before anyone else. Right. Any other tools I use? Alright, cool. Let's go back to Manus. Let's go back to Manus and let's see what it can do. Let's see how the others use Manus. Task. Let Manus take care of it with yours and see the best results here. Yeah, I'm going with climate change, explore more submission. Okay, let's try. Okay, watch their introduction video.
Hi, I'm Pete from Manus AI. For the past year, we've been quietly building what we believe is the next evolution in AI. And today, we're launching an early preview of Manus, the first general AI agent. This isn't just another chatbot or workflow. It's a truly autonomous agent that bridges the gap between conception and execution. While other AI stops at generating ideas, Manus delivers results. We see it as the next paradigm of human-machine collaboration, and potentially a glimpse into AGI. Now let me show you Manus in action across 3 completely different tasks. Let's start with an easy one. In this example, we'll ask Manus to help screen resumes. I've just sent Manus a zip file containing 10 resume documents. Since each Manus session has its own computer, it can work like a human. First unzipping the file, then browsing through each resume page by page, and recording important information to documents. Manus works asynchronously in the cloud, which means you can close your laptop anytime, and Manus will notify you when everything is complete. Of course, you can also give Manus new instructions at any time. Here I've sent Manus 5 more resumes. After carefully reading all 15 resumes, Manus provides the ranking suggestions, along with candidate profiles and evaluation criteria as supporting materials. This is pretty good, but I prefer a spreadsheet. Let's have Manus create one. Manus has its own knowledge and memory, so it can teach Manus that the next time it handles a similar task, it will deliver a spreadsheet right away. In this example, we'll have Manus conduct some research. It needs to filter New York properties based on multiple criteria. For complex tasks, Manus first breaks them down and creates a to-do list. Manus begins by searching and carefully reading articles about the safest neighborhoods. Then Manus researches middle schools in New York. Next, Manus writes a Python program to calculate my budget. Based on my budget, Manus filters listings on real estate websites. Finally, combining all the information gathered, Manus writes a detailed report and compiles all the resources. In this example, we have Manus perform a correlation analysis between stocks. For professional data, Manus can access authoritative data sources through APIs. After validating the acquired data, Manus begins writing code for data analysis and visualization. For Manus, coding isn't necessarily the goal, but rather a universal tool for solving problems. It looks like Manus has completed the data analysis and visualization. But interactive data visualization is even cooler, so I asked Manus to create a website based on these data. With my permission, Manus deploys the finished website online and provides me with a shareable link. Let's see what Manus has created. What you've just seen is just a small sample of what Manus can do. In fact, on benchmarks designed to evaluate general AI assistants, an early checkpoint of Manus has already achieved state-of-the-art performance, and it's only getting better. Beyond benchmarks, Manus has been solving real-world problems on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and has proven its capabilities on Kaggle competitions. This wouldn't be possible without the amazing open source community, which is why we're committed to giving back. Manus operates as a multi-agent system powered by several distinct models. So later this year, we're going to open source some of these models specifically post-trained for Manus, inviting everyone to explore this agentic future together. The name Manus comes from the famous motto, mens ad manus, mind and hand. It embodies the belief that knowledge must be applied to make a meaningful impact on the world. And this is precisely the promise of Manus AI. To extend your capabilities, amplify your impact, and be the hand that brings your mind's vision into reality. We can't wait to see what you will achieve with Manus.
Wow, I mean, that's impressive.
This in AI.
It's really impressive. And their example is exactly some of the things that I want. So, for example, the resume screening. As I'm reviewing resume, and what I do is like I create a list on Trello with a bunch of PDF of resumes, and I went through them one by one. But like here in this example, they send like a zip file. That zip file contains PDF of a resume, and then here they provide a I'm recruiting a reinforcement learning algorithm engineer. Please carefully read each candidate's resume, then organize the information, paying special attention to candidates' past project experience, and rank candidates based on their RL expertise. They throw a zip file in with a prompt. And then it's what it Yeah, extract the zip file. Well, let me change the quality. Yeah, this is much higher quality. Yeah, so it extracted the resume from the zip file. It create candidate review task. Also on the right side here, it opened the PDF file, and then it read and analyzed the resume. Wow. So then it yeah. So and then it created to-do list. The to-do list is in form of like a markdown file. Wow. And then it goes through like another resume, like one by one. And then it checked the checklist. What is this? Is automatically open file? Wow. Well, I got to try this. I got to try this resume screening thing. Okay, and it writes the like a detail analysis of each candidate. Yep, then results to user. What's the last thing here? What is Ubuntu right here? Oh, okay. So then they follow up with a request to compile the results into a spreadsheet so that the HR department can look at it, and then it looked like it's spin up a Ubuntu machine in order to compile the result into spreadsheet. And then here in this part, what is this? Suggested knowledge help manage remember relevant fact. Oh, okay. So after doing a job just like that, I think what they're showing here is like kind of manage remember what it has done and create shortcuts for you to do the similar job later on. Here's another example. What is this? Oh, this one is for looking for a purchase property. So this one is like a real estate market research. So basically they give a prompt with all the criteria and for searching for a property. I have 2 children, one in middle school and one in kindergarten, so access to quality schools is a priority for us. My wife and I have a combined monthly income of 50,000. Please help me identify suitable properties that meet these criteria. Provide comparative analysis of their listing. Okay. Oh. So it's doing the research. It create a to-do list, and look at this is mkdir, which means this one run on Windows, but on the right side here it runs on Ubuntu, so which means Manus running on, I think it's running on both the user computer and also like on a cloud computer as well. Yeah, this is so much like AGI for me. Yeah, and then it opened websites, search through the websites. Yeah. So here's the, well, what's it calculate affordable property based on monthly income. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I was wrong. So MK Deer is like Unix. It's not Windows command. Windows command should be MD. Yep. So I think they are running on like a Mac machine, and then on the right hand side it's like 2, which is Manus machine. Maybe wrong. Okay. Then it goes through all results and create a final report. Yeah, the third one is stock analysis. And interesting, I also I wrote like kind of a program that's allowed me to do a stock analysis too. It took me like about 8 hours to write that program. But let's see what Manus could do here. Analyze the correlation between stock prices, NVIDIA, MRVL, TSM over the past 3 years. I'll have you. So it's wow. So it creates a Python script to fetch the stock data. That's impressive. Yeah, and it's called an API to Yahoo Finance. Get the stock chart. Wow, I mean, like, these are so impressive. And I have to, yeah, I have to spend time research more about like new AI stuff because things are moving so quickly. I feel like I'm so much behind. So and then it's create another Python script to visualize. So let's look at the to-do list of Manus create here. The first task, create to-do list, then fetch stock from 3 company in the past 3 years, then a pre-process and clean the data, perform correlation analysis, calculate Pearson correlation, rolling correlation during different market period. And then create visualization. Yeah, plot time series of all 3 stock correlation, heat map, scatter plots, scrolling correlation plots, a bunch of stuff that I don't even know. Generate comprehensive report. And it's right, really detailed reports in the form of Markdown format. And here's the results. Wow. What is this? Correlation analysis between stock managers having to deploy the service. Add this one to the public. Okay, so after doing that, it created a website. Provide, okay, deploy website, and well, so implement interactive visualization. Okay, so the to-do list has changed. And in the final here is create a website to present the result, I think. yeah, and it created a beautiful website. So powerful, like with just some short prompt, and was able to analyze the stock of the three companies provided here, and also create like a beautiful website to present the result. That's impressive. Like it takes like probably just 3 prompts, right, to do all of this. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. So use case gallery, research, live data analysis, education, productivity, WTF, interactive gaming, professional prompt, adding brand identity design, business card, audio engineering, screenplay. Okay, audio engineering. That's interesting. Let's try that. Let me design a sound effect with birds chirping mixed with sounds of steam lasting around 3 seconds. Wow, what is it doing here? Yes, so impressive on the both sides, the left and the right. Okay, bird shipping with steam. Try that. What? I don't think the results that good. Okay, what it does is like it's available for audio editing tool. Let's use FMPEP. Create a to-do list. Check availability of audio editing tool. Okay, did a bunch of stuff here. So the if with bird shipping mixed with the sound steam lasting hours. Okay. Okay, so the results not impressive for me. So the way it did the work is impressive, but the final result is not really what I wanted. Okay, let's try another one. So maybe brand and entity design. Let's see what it does. So the problem is, this is our company website. Text grunt based on the design and style, visually create a set of icons that we can use in PowerPoint presentation. The icons should be rich, appealing, and maintain consistent design language with our site. All right. See the results. So remember, this is for text grunt. So this okay, this is the MD. This is a to-do list. Go to PNG. So it's create a set of PNG file, 64, 128, and 260, 256. All right. So it's first of all is match the color of text grunt, I think. The chat, the cloud, the data, mobile, search, security, settings, social, startup, and tech. So it does a job. It did pretty fast, but I don't think it's convincing enough, because look at this design is pretty bad. It's like elementary, kindergarten kind of design. All right, let's try next one. Business card design. Create a minimalist, elegant business card for me, inspired by Apple design philosophy. I've attached my resume for reference. Okay. So let's see what it produced. Okay, so here's the business card. I don't think it's good. So look at this. It's after it is doing a bunch of research and all stuff like that, so reading through the resume. So it looked like it did a lot, but the final result is not impressive. All right. Let's try another one. Interactive gaming. The recent heated exchanges between Zelensky, Vance, and Trump at the White House has generalized significant tension. Could you develop a simple interactive simulation that allows me to roleplay as President Zelensky during those debates? I'm interested in engaging in the interactive game that could create a political scenario. All right. Let's see how it does. Okay. Let's set up an SJS application. Deploying your public URL. Okay, so it create a website with just HTML, basically HTML. It deployed to a public URL, but where's the public URL that I can access? Okay, over here. All right, experience the heated background. Okay, how to play? You will play as President Zelensky through the simulation. With each scenario, the statement from Trump and Vance to your response on the available option. Your choices will affect how Trump and Vance react. Final outcome depend on the diplomatic approaches you take. Begin simulation. The UI look good. Okay, so it's create new question. All right. Okay, that's it's okay. It's pretty simple. Let me see any other cases that Manus providing here. So feature should be expected to be good. Research on AI products for clothing industry. What vertical search AI solution exists in fashion industry? Which specific scenarios are they deploy? What are their pricing model? Which part of the value chain? How does the product differentiate from one another? All right. Yeah, I does a full report along detail analysis of deployment scenario, pitching models. Okay. All right. I think that's enough to get the idea of what Manus is doing. Message to our Manus community. the past few days. We receive an incredible amount of interest in Manus. I'd like to thank you all. Okay, this is the initial rollout of the closed beta. I'll serve a stream under a stream lower. Okay, to more predictably provide all new users with high quality service, we implement an invite code waitlist for our closed beta. We are looking forward to sharing Manus with our more users on the waitlist soon, and appreciate your interest and patience. Oh, okay. So now, oh, and this announcement was on March 6th, so 9 days ago. Which means in order to try out Manus, I need to join the waitlist. And I don't have an invitation code. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I need to make a request. And alright, I'll submit a request. Then we'll try something else. Alright, I'll fill out over here so you guys won't be able to see it. Email, social, social media account, provide your profile links on LinkedIn, X, TikTok, other social medias. If you have multiple, now you will love to know more. Okay, let me fill in my application here for Manus. Hopefully I'll be able to get the access to Manus soon. Where is it? Okay, here's the link. That's my LinkedIn. YouTube. What else? My Facebook. Yep. Anything else? Yeah, I think that's enough. Then what use case would you like Manus to execute for you? Let me write code, create software, have me screen resume for new employees, have me create business plans, we research new trends. Yeah, basically all of those. And a request. All right, so I have sent a request to Manus, and hopefully it will allow me to use Manus soon. Manus, the next, they have a benchmark here. What is Gaia benchmark? What's Gaia? A benchmark for general AI assistants. We introduced Gaia, a benchmark for general AI assistant that, if solved, would represent a milestone in AI research. Gaia proposes real-world questions that require a set of fundamental abilities such as reasoning, multimodally handling, multimodality handling, web browsing, and general tools use proficiency. Gaia questions are conceptually simple for humans and challenging for most advanced AI. We show that human respondents obtain 92% versus 15% for GPT-4 equipped with plugins. This notable performance disparity construct with a recent trend outperforming humans on tasks requiring professional skills in law, chemistry. AI philosophy departs from the current trend in AI by much, suggesting that to target tasks that are ever more difficult for humans. We posit that the advent of AGI hinges on the system capability to exhibit similar robustness as the average human says on such question. Using the AI methodology, we devise 466 questions and the answer. We release our questions while retaining answer to okay. So let's see the Gaia benchmark on Manus AI. It is black. And then OpenAI in the middle here, and previous SOTR. What is SOTR? SOTR is like state of the art. Then level 1, Manus AI reached 86%. Then level 2 is level 3 is all higher than ChatGPT. What does that mean by level 1, level 2, and level 3 in here? Let me ask for level 1, 2, 3. Gaia divided into 3 level. Level 1 should be breakable by very good LM. Level 3 in case strong jump in model capability. Gaia is divided in 3 levels, but level 1 should be okay. Level 1 question in this level should be okay. Question in level require more reasoning and problem solving ability. Level 3 question in this level indicates significant jump. Okay. Not really clear for me. Okay, but basically the Gaia benchmark divided into 3 levels. And Manus AI is doing well at level 1. I'm not sure how much significantly it is, between like 86 and 74. Okay, Manus Space is gallery, Japan. And how about the pricing? Do they have pricing? Okay, I'll just search for Manus AI invitation code. Let me try some using some AI tools and search for Manus invite code. Invite me a Manus invitation code. I'm using XRock, and basically why do you use it? Because Rock has the ability to deep search, which means it will go through the internet, searching through the internet and provide us the answer. As you can see here, is it's going through 25 web pages. Go through Reddit. if I'm lucky, I might get an invitation code, because I think some maybe YouTuber or some influencer might share their invitation code somewhere on the internet. Okay. Yeah, look like there's no invitation code coming from like from influencers. It look like we have to wait for Manus to send us an invitation. It's not like the invitation goes through referral, but like it needs to go directly from Manus. So I think we have to wait. Yeah, what a shame. I should have tried it earlier as soon as I heard it, but like I didn't. So they closed the like beta tryouts since March 6th. Right. So the next one I want to try, I think it's N8S, maybe, if I spell correctly. Yeah, right. Oh no, it's N8N. It's not N8S. So N8N is a secure AI native workflow automation. Okay, let's look at the pricing first. Okay, it started as $20 a month, and then $50 a month. 5 concurrent execution versus 20 concurrent execution. Unlimited user forum support, admin roles, global rival workflow history, execution search. Okay. 2.5K workflow execution with unlimited step versus 10K. Then so basically it's 2.5 times higher in price, and you get like 4 times higher in the workflow execution, 3 times higher in the active workflow. Let's see enterprise, what they offer in enterprise here. In enterprise is like 200 concurrent execution, SSO, ML, different environment, external secret store integration, version control, Git. Yeah, that's great. For startup with up to 20 employees, that raise up to 5 million, and then they have a community version. A basic version of N8N is available on GitHub. Why NA is the most cost-effective option in the market. You only pay for full workflow execution, not for each operation step or task. What's included? Leading editor UI, all iteration streaming, operation, easily merge data, developer tools, custom AI request, imports URL command trigger from webhook queue, control N8N via API. In the pro version, they have global variable, and then the rest here they are for enterprise. So in different environment version, Git version control, bash, and so forth. Debugging. Enterprise scaling. Security, These security things are mostly for enterprise. Collaboration, project share, flow, one project share. Oh, we have 3 project share. Support, email support, dedicated support with SLA. Pay by invoice, because our execution are much more powerful than the operation or task that you are built. Right, let me, so people on mobile can read it. TikTok require me to verify this. Okay. We clean up some of the message here. Clean up some message. Clean up. All right. Okay. Let's get started. Yeah. Require sign up. Hang on while I'm signing up for an account. Account name. $14 days trial. 14 days trial. Okay. What? Right. Right. Sign up and then question in here. What teams are you on? I don't know. Maybe engineering. Yeah. Okay, so use any of these tools before JPR? Yes. Okay. Here about us. My team member workspace. Skip that one. Your workspace ready. Here's the quick start. Let's watch the video and see.
In this video, we'll walk through the key concepts needed to automate your tasks with N8N. We'll start with a simple automation where each time a prospective customer fills out this Get in Touch Typeform survey, we'll post a message through the new request channel in Slack. This is just a simple
update the quality
concepts that you can then apply when automating your own tasks.
Make it bigger.
I've just created.
All right.
In this video, we'll walk through the key concepts needed to automate your tasks with N8N. We'll start with a simple automation where each time a prospective customer fills out this Get in Touch Typeform survey, we'll post a message through the new request channel in Slack. This is just a simple example to show the key concepts that you can then apply when automating your own tasks and processes. I've just created a new workflow in N8N, so let's add this first step of our workflow. Since I want my workflow to run each time someone responds to my Typeform survey, the trigger or first step of my workflow is an app event. But there's various other ways to start a workflow, like on a recurring schedule or an incoming webhook, and many others. I'll search for Typeform and I'll add it to the workflow canvas. First off, I'll connect to my Typeform account by selecting one of my existing credentials. If you don't already have any credentials saved yet, you can create them here as well. Next, I'll pick the specific Typeform survey I'd like to watch for new form submissions. Let's test this trigger by listening for an event. The Typeform trigger is now in listening mode. It's waiting for us to go into Typeform and create a form submission. Back in my Typeform trigger, I can see we've successfully fetched the data from Typeform. Now that we have that data in my workflow, let's add a Slack node to my canvas and connect it to my Typeform trigger. When double-clicking my Slack node, we can see the data from my Typeform trigger is now flowing into the Slack node. Just like with the Typeform trigger, I need to set up my Slack step. This node supports different auth types. I'm using OAuth 2, and I'll select an existing credential. We'd like to post a Slack message, so we'll keep the resource and operation the same. And we want to post to the new requests channel, so I'll add that in. For the text of my Slack message, I want to reference dynamic data from my Typeform trigger, so I'll drag and drop data pills from the input panel. I'll then quickly format my message and transform the message with a bit of JavaScript. Let's quickly test the Slack node by clicking the Execute Node button. In the output pane, we can see we got a response from Slack. And if we check in the new request channel, we can see the message posted successfully. Our workflow is now finished. We just need to activate it so that it runs automatically each time the Typeform survey is filled out. Look at that. We just built an automated workflow in a few minutes that will help ensure the team doesn't miss any valuable inquiries. But what if we didn't want to get Slack notifications from prospects with a Gmail email address? No problem. Let me quickly show you how you'd filter those out. I'll add an if node in between my Typeform and Slack steps. This allows us to set up conditional logic to control the flow of our data in the workflow. First, I'll add a string condition since we want to check whether the email contains the word Gmail. I'll then map my email data pill to value 1, select the contains operator, then for value 2, I'll enter Gmail. The condition will now evaluate whether value 1, our email data, contains the word Gmail. I'll quickly rename the if node so it's more understandable from the workflow canvas. Next, we'll quickly test that the node is working correctly. In the output pane, we can see the form response is correctly being routed to the true branch because our email does contain the word Gmail. Back in the canvas, we'll connect the if node's false output branch to the Slack node. Now, each time this workflow runs, it will stop at the if node if the email contains Gmail. And if it doesn't, the data will flow through the false branch to the Slack node and we'll get a Slack message. Now we just have to save the workflow. And since it's already activated, the live version of the workflow will now filter out any Typeform responses that include a Gmail email account. You've now got the key concepts, but we've just scratched the surface of what's possible with N8N. Have fun building your workflows, and if you have any questions, we'll see you over on our community forums, where the N8N team and a global community of flowgrammers are waiting to help you.
Okay, so basically it's like a Zapier. But I don't know like what it has to do with AI in here. That's the ready to go AI agent example. Okay, sounds good to me. Welcome to N8N. Alright, examples on how to build an AI agent that interacts with your calendar. Just connect your account, set up OpenAI credential. Then connect to the Google account. Right. Then click the chat below and start asking questions. That's good. Have Google Calendar, OpenAI model. Alright, so here's the AI agent. When the chat message arrived, it's the AI agent, and then it get the AI. Right? How about a completely new project? Leave without saving. What should we do? What should we do to test it out? Right. I don't have any idea right now to make an agent. Okay, so we have on chat message. execute this node to view data or set mock data. At hello, so I sent a hello, then a 2 item, no response, make sure the last execute node output content to display here. They have trigger manual, they have on app event, on schedule, on webhook call, form submission, on execute by another workflow, on chat message. Another way, ask assistant. Okay, they have assistant here. You can ask question about building workflow in N8, and for specific tasks here, see the Ask Assistant button in the UI. How can I help you? What if I ask something like, what's the weather today? I'm here to have your question related to any answer weather information you might want to check. Yeah, that's a good. Then I have a quick reply, yes or no. I'm sorry I didn't have more context right differently. How about like how old are you? I'm just trying some kind of miscellaneous chart to see how it works. I'm here just as with your question related to NAS. You had a question about? All right. Okay, what do you have to do with AI? I'm an AI assistant designed to help you with questions related. Okay. What N8N has to do with AI? Searching through the documents, looking for answer in the NSN community. N8, okay, and it got some answer. So N8N integrate with AI through several features and Node allow you to view our AI powered workflow. Here are some key aspects. AI agent node and is provide an AI agent node that can integrate into your workflows. This node allows you to incorporate AI functionality directly into your automation process. LangChain integration, support LangChain integration, which enable you to build advanced AI functionalities. You can create a workflow that uses AI to process documents, data, and even build chatbots. AI for workflow and templates, and it offers a variety of workflow template and example to have you get started. Trigger and chatbot widgets. These features are available in N8N version 1.19.4, and they can be used in both cloud and self-hosted environments. If you are interested in building AI workflow, we can explore tutorial. Okay, I think I have a question. So compare N8N and Zapier. Searching through the doc, looking for answer in the N8N community. Almost there. Okay, I couldn't find a direct comparison between that and Zapier. However, here's something: open source versus NAS is open source. Really, I mean you can host it on your own server, modify the source code, and use it without license fee. Okay, so if it's hosted on our own server, what we need to spend on, right? Customization and flexibility. Offer offer more flexibility and customization option. You just kind of modify the source code. All right. Pricing. It is open source and it can be used for free if self-hosted. The cost is associated with hosting and maintaining the server. Integration and support wide range of integration and allow custom API call, make it highly versatile. All right, so what do I need to self-host an 8N? What the cost associated with it would be, right? Yeah, almost there. Just to self-host, we need server at least one vCPU, 512 megabytes, 1 gig is recommended. Operating system Linux, software requirement Node.js database, SQLite, MySQL and PostgreSQL. SQLite is from small setup. Okay, network requirement, and then cost associated with self-hosting and cloud hosting about $10 to $20 a month. DigitalOcean. Okay, additional cost, domain name, SSL. It seems not much. So what if I when I self-host and can I use enterprise features of N8N? Thinking, okay, when you self-host, you have access to the core features of N8N, but enterprise features typically part of the N8N enterprise offering, which may require separate license or subscription. There are some key points. Core features have hosting, and it allows you to use all core features available in open source versions. This includes creating workflows using various nodes. All right. Here's the GitHub. Check out his GitHub. Contributor used by deployment language. 90% is TypeScript. Handlebars, interesting. They still use handlebar, really. CSS. Script. Key capability: code when you need it, write JavaScript, Python, and NPM packages, or use a visual interface. AI native platform, build AI agent workflow based on land change with your own data and model, full control, self-host, enterprise ready, active community, use templates. I see there are templates, over 1,000 templates. Become essential, learn by doing. You pull data from services that NAN doesn't have. A pre-built integration for joining different data set and data to be sent. This is okay. This is a newcomer. This is a training AI template, feature template. AI powered short form video generator with OpenAI, FlexKling, and 11 Lab. Okay, 11 Lab I think is for audio. AI powered short form video generator. Who is this for? For content creator, digital marketer. Social media manager want to automate the creation of short form video. TikTok, what problem does this flow solve? Creating engaging short form videos consistently. Time consuming, okay. What this workflow does is generate video caption from ideas stored in a Google Sheet. Create AI generated images using Flux and OpenAI API, converting images to video uses Kling. Voiceover to your content. 11 Lab, complete the video production with Creator Mate by adding templates, transitions, and combining all. The workflow will handle everything from sourcing and content ideas to rendering final video, and then notify you on Discord when the videos are ready. Okay, so question is, why do people create NAN, create and share NAN templates? Looking for answers. Okay, so people create and share templates for several reasons. It's time saving, of course. Knowledge sharing, yeah. Community building. Okay, problem solving. Showcase creativity. All right, but like, what incentive to people who create the templates? Community recognition, in recognition, but what is for? Skill development, networking opportunity, contribute to open source, professional opportunity, personal satisfaction. Okay. So I'm looking at a creator of a workflow of a template. So like this one, I think it's feature, right? Feature template, or is this one? And then I look for creator. And so in the creator, they have their website. And then they have these templates, and then they have a bunch of people looking at the template. What is this? These are the, maybe the notes, I think. Bamboo HR AI, Power Company Policy, Benefit Job, Spot Workspace, Discrimination, Test Web Hooks, Program, Particularly Retrieve. Right. So interesting that people create templates and share the templates with others. Click to explore. These images not so easy to see. Hello, Twilio workspace population, Twilio effect size. Alright, so they have about 4,000 template and look like the okay, so they have HR finance. So in HR they have about 31 templates for job hunting, for HR workflow, for CV analysis and candidate evaluation. That's interesting. Automate your LinkedIn contact requests and send them. Icebreaker, HR and IT help desk chatbot with audio transcription. All right, let's try AI automated HR analysis and candidate validation. This workflow automates the process of handling the application by extracting relevant information from submitted CVs, analyzing the inequality qualification against the predefined profile, and storing the results in the Google Sheet. As always, operate data collection and extraction. The workflow begins with the form submission. On form submission node, we trigger the extraction of data from the uploaded CVs using the extract from file node to information extractor node, qualification, personal data, processing and evaluation. Template Twitter. Okay, use Google Sheet, merge, view, template. Created this one. This WordPress post to social media, X, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Yeah, so basically I'm looking through these templates to see what NAANs can do. Optimize WordPress. AI automate HR workflow. Voice chatbot with 1111 OpenAI for customer service in restaurant. Complete business WhatsApp AI power rack chatbot using OpenAI. Okay, free YouTube video analyzer with AI power summaries and email alerts. Interesting. Sign in. 14 days left. Sign in, but I want to go back to the templates. How do I use it? Okay, use this workflow. Get started with free cloud and host it. Let me ask, what are the limitations of self-hosted NAN? Some limitation enterprise features. Does not include enterprise features such as global variable log streaming, environment workflow version, single sign-on, and external secret stores. Project, the ability to organize workflow into project separate folders. Is currently available for enterprise only. For maintenance, self-hosting requires you to manage your own server. Structure include updates, backup, and security. Scalability, where you can create as many workflows trigger your server can handle. Scaling may require additional infrastructure and configuration. Community support, where strong community support office. All right. Can I use templates with self-hosted? I think we can. I think we can because right here it's a open self-hosted installation doc, and then you can copy the template to clipboard, and it's in the form of a JSON file. Yeah, let me create a new JSON. JSON. Then paste that in. So okay, so it's about like 400 lines of code. Notes. This is the notes. Then connections. Okay, they have notes, they have connections. Inside notes we have, yeah, this is each note. Alright, so self-hosted installation. Installation and server setup, install on any platforms using npm and Docker. Configuration, scaling. Okay. Can I self-host N8N on my computer? Meaning running it locally. Yep. So yes, you can self-host on your computer. This is a common approach for development, testing, or personal use. You need Node.js, and then just do npm install n8n, and one install you can start n8n by simply run n8n. Then you can go to a local host to run it. Database configuration, by default use SQLite for storing data, which is sufficient for local development. Small scale use, but if you need more robust database, use MySQL or Postgre. Environment variable, you can configure using environment variable and set things like the port, database connection, and other considerations. Local access. Running NANs on your computer means it will accessible only on locally, unless you configure your network to allow external access. Yeah, looking good. I didn't expect it to be that easy. I just like npm install. This session provides guidance on setting up it for both enterprise and community self-hosted edition. Community edition. How about what they say? Set up edited for both enterprise. Really? Community edition includes almost the complete features of NS except for feature listed here. Custom variable environments, external secrets, extra storage for binary. register community edition. You can unlock extra feature by registering your AI community edition. Register with your email and receive a license key. Registering unlocks the feature for the community edition. Debug in the editor, copy and pin execution data, workflow 1 day of workflow history, 4 hours of workflow history can be reverted back, reverse workflow version, custom execution data. To register a new community edition, then select the option during your initial account creation. To register an existing community edition instance, circle the 3 dots in the lower left corner of what. Then select settings and usage and plan, unlock to enter your email, and then select send me a free license key. Take your email for the account you enter. Once you have license activated by clicking the button in the license email by visiting options, settings, usage and plan, and selecting enter activation key. So as I'm on the platform using npm or Docker, or follow our guide to popular hosting platform. This is Docker. Postgre, time zone, date, trigger environment that you can use to change any configuration setting, which is self-host, binary data, credential, database employment, so on and so forth. Users and authentication, scaling, securing and starter kit. New to NAN or AI, try a self-hosted AI starter kit curated by NAN, by the self-hosted NAN platform with compatible AI product component. Get you started with building self-hosted AI workflow. Securing NAN, scaling, users and authentication configuration. Okay, the starter kits look promising. Self-hosted AI starter kit. Self-hosted AI starter kit is an open Docker composed template that bootstraps fully features local AI low-code environment. Curated by NAN as it combines self-hosted platform with a list of compatible AI products and components to get started to building self-hosted AI workflow. What included self-hosted NAN, Llama cross-platform LLM, install and run the latest local LLM, Qdren, open source high-performance vector store of comprehensive AI, PostgreSQL, Llama, what is that? Get up and running with large language model, run Llama 3, DeepSeek, Film, Mistra. Okay, another model. What should I do? Download? Windows? Download? Wow, it's just 1,000 megabytes. Exactly 1,000. How did they do that? Alright, Qdren open source vector store. What does that mean? Okay, vector database, performance, vector search at scale, powering next generation of AI application with advanced open source vector similarity search technology. AI meets advanced vector search. Cloud native scalability, availability. Is Also has pricing, private cloud, managed clouds, that 1 gig free forever cluster. What you can build AI agents is schedule appointments, summary company PDF without leaking data, smarter Slack bot, for company communication, IT operation, private low cost as a financial documents. Installation npm. Try npm without installing using npx. Command will download everything that you need to start. npx. I haven't heard of npx. Kim Jong-un. Huh. Who said Kim Jong-un? npx versus what did you mean by Kim Jong-un? npm package mention npx, a package executor that is used to directly execute JavaScript without installing them. Okay. I'm going to take a 5 minutes break. Right. Let's get back to work. Right, so basically we can host any ends on our machine to try it out. And now the question is, what should we use it for? What is building blocks? 5-way to process image and PDF with Gemini AI. Power your AI server with long-term memory and dynamic routing. Telegram bot with manual-driven commands. DeepSeek 3 chat and did I ask about templates? Yes, you can use templates with self-hosted. Okay, yeah, right. So once we try here, use the template, then okay, let's search for template. So accessing template, you can find importing template in your NAN editor. You can import templates by using the import feature. All right, so we use the JSON file to import it. And customization, once you import it, you can customize the template to fit. All right, okay, cool. So I guess the way to try out the NAS is by using templates and experiment the most like famous training templates and start from there. So let me see, generate any content from Google Sheet. So what first thing is that they have AI, sales, IT operation, marketing, dev, op, design, finance, HR, other marketing, maybe payout. Okay, let's try this one first. Users workflow, import to cloud. So I have 1,000 execution. Is 1,000 execution a month? Let's click on upgrade to find out what does that mean by 1,000 execution. It's for okay. Set up AI powered short form video generator with OpenAI, Flux, Kling, and 11 lab templates. So in order to use this one, we have to like pay for and we have to pay for OpenAI Flux. What is that? Flux. Software to make your life better. Is that the one? I don't know. Let's go through that step. Be easier, I guess. Close out the tabs to the right. If only this one. Stop this one. Where is it? Marketing, AI power short form, users workflow, and import template into strongbear. Unit 1 Google Sheets, one OpenAI, one Google Drive, one Discord account to set this up. All right. The Google Sheet, the credential you select will be used in the load Google Sheet and update Google Sheet notes. All right. Create new Google Sheet credential. I need to sign in. Enterprise plan user can pull in credential from external vault. All right. Let me sign in out here. Okay. Successful. Account connected. Right, and then sharing credential allows people to use it in their workflow. No, that's the first step. The second step is the connect with OpenAI so that it can generate video caption, generate image prompts, and generate script note. Right. Create new OpenAI credential. And it asks for an API key, organization ID, like that. So ask AI for step instructions. Yeah, I like that it has the this AI feature integrate into its step so that you could ask and it give you the instruction right away. These are steps. Go to API, create a new script key, find your organization ID, like that. So go to the API key page. I need to move it over here because I don't want you all to see it. Let me log in into my OpenAI account. Then okay. Create a new secret key, and this is for N8N cloud. And the project would be okay. Yeah, a new project. Over create a new project, and this will be called N8N. And then I create a new secret key that's called N8N cloud. Get all the permission, copy the secret key, paste into here. Organization ID or user who belong to multiple organizations. You can set this. The base URL is v1. And save. All right, so I have put in my API key. Connection successful. Next step is Google Drive. The Google Drive is used for upload voice, audio, set access permission, upload final video, and set permission. Cool. Okay. So Google Drive account, it needs a client ID and client secret. You already have an active session. Creating a session will clear your current conversation and you want to start. Yes, start new session. Meantime, let me open onto focus, I think. So onto focus. And then is it running? No. Yeah. Autofocus doesn't work. Open. Okay. Here we go. Spotlight. Set up credential for Google Drive, create Google Cloud project, enable Google Drive API, and create OAuth client credential. Okay, so I'm gonna follow the step here. Sorry, I need to hide this away. Go to Google Cloud. And the next step is to create a new project or select existing one. I'm gonna create a new project. Where to create a new project? I have a bunch of projects in here. Okay, new project. This one I'll call NAN Cloud. Create it. The NAN Cloud is creating. Let's select the project. Then what I want to do. So in the Google Cloud Console, navigate into API Service Library. API Service. Credential, APIs and service and library. Yeah, I think from it show you. So I do side by side. So it asks me to go to API Service Library and search for Google Drive API and enable it. So search for Google Drive API. Or Drive API in here, and then enable. Then create an OAuth credential, client credential. Go to API Service Credential. Yep, create a credential right here. I think from here I need to hide it away. Create credential with API users for API. What data will you be accessing? User data or application data? Create and select. Yeah, so this credential creates credentials like OAuth. The instructions be a bit different. So let's follow the instruction on NAN here. It asks me to go to API Service Credential and then create credential and OAuth client ID and set up the application type to web application. Run the name for OAuth client, copy the OAuth redirect URL from NA's credential setup and paste into the authorized redirect URL and create. Configure NAN's credential in the Google OAuth client's creation model, copy the client ID and client script. Enter these value. So let me follow that. So I'll go to API service live from here. So API service, then credentials. Remember to configure all auth and screen with information. Then from here, I think create credentials and OAuth client ID. OAuth platform get. Okay. I need to wait from here. So this one app information I'm gonna is end cloud. User support email is my audience available to any test user with an organization. Yep. So next, finish, create. Okay, and after that I can do create source client application tab. It asks me for web application, name, authorized redirect. Here I think it's OAuth redirect in here. Yep, and paste it into there. URL. Oh no, one, and name of the application. I'm gonna call it NAN Cloud. And create. Then after the create, edit. Yep. Then it provide me with the client ID and client secret. I'm gonna paste those two in here. So I need to copy the client ID, paste the client ID in there, copy the client secret, paste the client secret. Words that you have enabled Google Drive. Save. It has the ability to sign in. So allow connection successful. Yeah. Okay, so look like we set up the Google Drive. Next one is Discord. Create a new Discord channel. Start a new session. It's not easy, but like the way NAN's set up is pretty smart by having a community and then have AI looking through the community and to get answers. That's pretty smart. Set up credential for Discord webhook and we create a webhook in Discord. Open your Discord server setting and navigate to the integration. Select create webhook, create a new webhook. I need to grab my phone and set up Discord or I think I open Discord on my computer here. So open Discord. Yep. Let's open Discord from web and create a new channel. How do I create a new channel? Okay, plus server. Okay, so I'll open your Discord server setting and navigate to the integration tab. I'm gonna create a new server for global community, and let's call it strongbear and cloud server. Create that. So, and in settings, we need to navigate to the integration tab. Into, where is it? I don't see any integration. So integration. Where is it? Is it enable authentication tag? Server setting. I don't see the integrations tab. You don't see the integration tab. You might need to permission. You have to have a manage permission, webhooks permission in the server to create server setting. Ensure that you are accessing the server settings correctly. You can do this by clicking on the server name at the top and then select server settings. Okay, so look like I was looking at not the server setting, but my account setting. Probably that's the reason why. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So here's the server setting. Here's the server setting. What I need to do is create a webhook in Discord, or create a webhook to so we need to go to integrations here, create a webhook, and then give your webhook a meaningful name. Optionally, select an avatar, the channel drop down, select the channel where the webhook should post the message. Select copy webhook's URL to copy webhook URL. So new webhook. And then create two. Okay. That's gonna be NAN cloud to the general channel. Copy webhook URL. The webhook URL to NAN. Save. I said I will allow you to send messages to the Discord channel using the webhook. For more detailed information, refer to it. Okay, that's good. So we all have Google Sheet, OpenAI, Google Drive, and Discord set up. Continue. All right. Right. Like so. Now we've done with the setup. Let's see what we have in here. Numbers. You have time for a break. I'll be back. 5 minutes. Okay. Oops. What I want to do. Okay. So let's check out what we have in this flow. Well, okay. Middle click panning. How to zoom. Plus for zoom. Shift control and scroll up and down to zoom in and out. And then this for panning around. Okay, so the workflow is like once a day. Generate video captions from ideas in Google Sheet. Serve your API key using for okay. For PyAPI 11 Labs. Create to mate. Yep, so this N8N is cool, and all these AI stuff is cool. It can automate a lot of things for you, but the problem is we have to not only pay for one service but multiple services, each one of a different purpose. So as you could see, so far we need like Google Drive, Google Spreadsheet. You need like OpenAI. You need Discord now. It hasn't stopped yet. You will need more than that. So PyAPI 11 Labs. Right, so okay, before you get started, you need an installation. An installation, I think, yeah, because we're using cloud, so we don't need the installation. We have open API key, yes. Then the next one is PyAPI. PyAPI, what is that? Leverage your AI API for your AI application development. Integrate our generative AI API to transform text into captivating visuals, images to realistic videos, prompts into impressive music, and more. Okay. So look at this thing. I guess PyAPI is like a combination, is like a bundle of multiple AI tools. So we have Midjourney, Alice AI, I don't know, Luma, Dream, I don't know, Flux, I don't know, FaceSwap, I don't know, Kling, I don't know, DeepSeek, yes, Studio, yes, iLuo, I don't know. Wow. Now you are generative AI. So as you can see, like how much behind I am at this moment. Ignite your generative AI in the workflow. Machine AI API, Suno API, FaceSwap API, Midjourney API. Our generative AI API. Midjourney's text to image, Suno text to music, FaceSwap, or face of one image to another. Design for the developer is our API is compatible with all technology stack. Integration. Right, Telegram, reach out to us on Telegram. We'd love to hear from you. It's just faster. I just want to collaborate. Look for collaborative. Okay. Then pricing. Free, creator, pro, enterprise. Build. Limited task processing speed, automated custom service, access to basic API playing around trial package. Then receive $10 worth of credits monthly during a subscription period. Free file to URL conversion, unlimited task processing, email ticket support account, notification webhook, extended API access, advanced task type. And then 60 package is like $60 worth of credits, free file to URL conversion. Okay, so like you pay for API and then you use the available APIs in the bundle, Midjourney, FaceSwap, so on and so forth, and then yeah. So they have a lot of stuff in here. Trellis API. What's Trellis? 3D model generation. Oh, I like that. Trellis. Oh, yeah, I need this one for my seesaw meta, and also Meta Horizon. Wow. Okay. What is this? This one? Generate? Whoa. Whoa. This one. Let's try it. Image to 3D generation, text to 3D generation, synchronous API. That's the. Whoa. Midjourney, I already know what it is. Song API. Song API. Here's sound from text from. Okay. So it's basically Song API is like audio underneath. Text to speech. 1xSPI. What's that? 1xSPI offers 3 advanced video generation model and create high quality video from text prompt or image on. Generated videos are 40 or 80p, 85 frames. And as the FW, what's that? What is that? Not safe for work. Okay. Let's cancel then and do not safe for work content. Text to video, image to video. Spell JavaScript, PHP, HTTP, a bunch of. Okay, try it out. And the API key. Okay. All right. Kling. What is Kling? Remarkable image and video generation at your fingertip. Okay. Image to video support. Professional camera movement. Any pay as you go. Get started. Okay, so these are API. All right, get started. Also point to, and let me search for Kling. I feel like I need to spend like 1,000 a month in order to get all API, like AI tools that I need for my work. For every drive package element, which is the drive page membership. Yeah. Create contest. Next generation AI creative studio. AI images, AI videos. Oh, let's click on that one. Create content 6 days and 11 hours before deadline. Requirements: submit a video and short film using our latest fuzzy. How to participate. And then interesting.
Wow. Wow.
Interesting. Cool. And then pricing. Ooh, okay, per year. Pro 3,000 credits a month. Year. Extra professional. Okay. Right. And let's clean. What else do they have? Luma. Extension one. Probably the same as clean. Dream machine. Dream machine. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It starts small. A spark. That what if moment. It keeps you up at night. And you think, what if you could make it real? Not someday, today. Just start. Drop a thought. Watch it grow. Every idea, a plan in motion. You're not waiting for the perfect time. You're making it. Because dreams aren't meant to stay in your head. They're meant to be real. Introducing the new Dream Machine from Luma AI.
I don't still get what that dream machine is, but like I guess it's a tool to make generate videos. I think so. Hailuo API, text to video, image to video. Yeah. I like that Stralis 3D. I haven't checked out the pricing. Did I? Maybe not. No, that's why a lot of which one is the original one? 3D. That. Yeah. 17 months. Dual video. Transform idea into and yes. Six seconds. Yeah, 6 seconds each. Right, 6 seconds each. Right. Dual. And what else? Yes, once Kling, Luma, Hailu. Text to also text to video. Hunyan API. The 10-cent. This is from. Wow. It's locked. Pricing in here. Okay. Flux API. Text to image, image to image, text to image. What is controlling lower concord? Flux image. Art API. Flux one.ai. Oh. now. Coin. Wait. 18 a month. Okay, so they charged by credit. Face swap. So let's just swap face with swap AI. Face swap dot dev. So swap. What Discord is it? Okay, pipe a something. To yeah. They program 15% referral. I promote 5%. That's for flooding free pitch audio. What else do they have? AI Herp API. So apt right. AI Herp service fucking view. Okay, just that. Doesn't play. Okay, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Look at this. LLM AI, DeepSeek, GPT, Lottie, yeah, clean and upscale AI, remove background API. Okay. What is pay as you go and what is host your account? Pay as you go is well, you don't have to own Midjourney, ChatGPT, Kling, Luma, Suno accounts depending on the API you want to use. Host your account is a service option where you do and operate your own Midjourney and then subscribe to multiple seats on your platform. Connect your account to the seat and then start using the API. All the job submit will be processed by your own account. Okay. Break. Đời cho không biếu không. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, da, 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 da. Okay, let's see. Subscription plan. API's two-way access method where you go and host. Yeah, it's pretty complex. The pricing model is pretty complex. Okay, they have this up here that's kind of summarizes things that we've just looked at. 3D model, try listed 3D API, templates, virtual try. Okay, audio generation, image generation, and video generation. Guide reels only home in one. Benefits, earn big, save more. Earn with referral. For every new user to refer, you earn real money. That's simple. Save with top-up bonus or pipe. Maybe a trusted partner. You design, you build. That. All right. Okay, I need a. It's a key for that. So pipe API. Just want to access GitHub. Prisoner access data. Problem. Did I log in? Oh yes. Then 11 lab. Text to speech with high quality human like AI voice generator.
The 11 Labs voice generator can deliver high-quality, human-like speech.
Oh, this voice.
Perfect for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more.
This voice that we heard a lot in recent YouTube videos and shorts.
You won't believe what I just saw on 11 Labs.
Their new model is absolutely mind-blowing at understanding context and emotions.
That's because it responds naturally to emotional cues and adjusts its delivery based on the context.
So whether it's emphasizing a minute detail in a tearful goodbye,
counting down the last minute in a thrilling race,
or knowing how to read the room as well as it read the script,
its sensitivity to context and pronunciation norms.
Okay.
With a soft and whispery American accent, I'm the ideal choice for creating.
I guess that's what you get for playing with fire, isn't it? Or would you just...
Okay, so this one is good for, for game, like creating tutorials and stuff like that.
As a proud native of Ireland, I bring a robust Irish accent to your...
Chapter 1. An unexpected...
Oh, audiobook. Interesting.
In a hole in the ground, there lived a hawk.
Listen on the go. 11 reader app narrate that.
Ever find yourself distracted by your phone?
Just sent you over the link. Give it a read when you're done driving.
It's all good. I can listen to it now.
In financial news today, global markets continue to soar.
The world is large.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. Everything
High-quality AI voice like this collection of realistic voices. Type out your script and experience world-class audio instantly.
Vietnam.
The 11 Labs voice generator can deliver high-quality, human-like speech in 32 languages. Perfect for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more. Trong đống gì đẹp bằng sen, lá xanh bông trắng lại chen nhi vàng.
Okay, nuts. Right. So 11 Lab, to create account. We go. No, go back. Go back. Next stuff is create or mate API key, video and image creation API, create or mate is a media automation platform for developers and no-code users. Focus generation, mass produce fresh it, API integration, web integration, pricing. What? 99 a month. That's get started. New Google. Want to video new creamer, start here to create video for fresh it video here. Alright. Then we create out spreadsheet. Alright. Look like we have all needed. So step 1, set up your API keys for those things. Once you logged in to create a new video template and click source code in the top right. Paste this JSON. This will be your sample template for this workflow. Log in into the flow, click on template, make it new, and then where's new template source code in the top right. Where's source code? What do they mean by that? Mode. Okay. Once logged in into create a wait out, create a new video template and click source code. Right. Maybe just select the template, any template, maybe a template with a person in here, and create a template. And then my source code. Yo, this is the source code. Yep, and then it's this code, which means I guess copy, clone, how to copy of this. Any way to quickly copy? Raw, maybe? Raw, I guess. So I'm gonna copy that. Paste it here. Okay, it's caption here. That's a template. And give a job sample. In your create template, click use template button on the top right, click on API integration, and you see your template ID sets its value as your create made template ID in the set API keys node. Alright, over here use template, and then API integration. Okay, maybe use template and click API use template and set this value as your template at API keynote. All right. Okay. So from here we got this template ID. Yeah, I think I'm risking so my ID in here, but anyway, let me delete this one because I don't want to disclose these things. All right, so let me close this one. Create another one. Delete this. Create a new one. Anything in here? Create that one. Then from the source here, paste. Oh no, shit, not that one. Copy here, paste it there, and then I'll put it over here so that I can click on use template, API integration, copy the template ID. And then do this first in this set API key. API key. Oh, okay. So I'll need to be API key and then all the keys in here. And the template ID. All right. I'll need to do this in the background. Sorry, that's but so this step is to set the API. Or no. Template ID from a teammate. And where do I get the API key of the creator? Let's use them. Right. Go back to your API request will show here. Get started. Where do I get the API key of the creator mate? Yeah. Where are API key for create to make? Yeah, let me edit the P API key. API. Base. Haven't read it. New features, stuff like that. Price adjustment, pricing. Wow, they go their price going up. And then API just our API keys down here. Let me move it there so I can get the API in. Okay, and I'll name this new API key N8N Cloud. Now, with the N8N Cloud, let me copy that N8N Cloud and paste into N8N. Then we need the 11 Labs API key. So 11 Labs. Oh, go to the app. You might complete onboarding to use Duck. Let me do it over here behind the scene. Next. Yeah, these are the onboarding step of 7 Labs. Let's do okay.
Hi, I'm Eric. How can I help you?
Hello, what can you do for me?
Hi there. I'm happy to help. What kind of assistance are you looking for today? I can answer questions, provide information, or help you with any tasks you might have. Just let me know how I can be of service.
Interesting. I
I'm
wanna
glad you find it interesting. I'm excited.
help me to set up N8N self-host.
I can definitely help you with that. Setting up an 8 and self-host can be a bit technical, but I'm here to guide you through the process. To get started, could you tell me a little more about what you're hoping to achieve?
Setting maybe is this secret? Not secret, maybe. query store use tool. Agent, all these things, create. Where do I get the API from? Lab. How to get Lab API key. Login to the account, I'm going to provide select API key, but I don't see that. Top right corner profile, API key. Oh, over here. Yeah, I got it. So let me copy that one. So click on my profile, then I create 8 API key. I'm gonna call that 8 cloud 8. Then copy to clipboard, paste into there. All right, so I'll set up. One thing missing is the how to get the create to mate API key. There's a unique API key for each project. To find your API, log into project settings. Your API key must be included in header. All right, so project settings. Okay, API, click to review. Up that one. Paste it there. Okay. So I have here like accessory API keys into and it ends, but I don't see where to save. All right, let me block screen for a little while I take a look at because I need a bigger screen, like a bit bigger screen size, so that I can take a look at what happened with N8Ns and why I couldn't set up the API keys and couldn't save it. And no option for me to save. It's in here. I quit here. Okay. Look like I have already set it up. Go back. Alright. So I have set the API keys. Next step, load Google to generate video caption, so on and so forth. Or take a break and we'll be back. 5 minutes. All right. So the next node will load Google Sheet. You can copy the Google Sheet template. Simply choose File, make a copy, and then in the Google Sheet node, you click to your copy one. Okay, make a copy. All right, make a copy. Then Google Sheet node, click your copy system template. So in here, oh shit, dude. Analyze image. Generate 5 captions. Not you. I don't get it. What does it mean? What does it? How it knows like which spreadsheet to load? All right, again, I have to log my now. Right. It's within document get rows. Heading. Okay. Credential resource. Yeah, share screen again. So in this step, I load Google Sheet. I don't know how it's possible to get the spreadsheet. I have no idea where the spreadsheet comes from. Oh, okay, right here. From the list. It's one. Test. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Point of view, you're ghosted by a recruiter. Caption, why did they disappear like that? Environment from entry-level bedroom, phone in hand. Protection or protection pending. Okay, I'll keep everything the same. Then so this one got of one item, 5 item fit into here. This is a message model. And then create a list. Let's test this one. Okay, problem in node generator. Insufficient quota detected. Learn more. So probably because I haven't set the quota for the open API key. Oh, okay. Need to hide my screen again and do that. Yeah, doing this in live stream session is not so easy. Because gotta do a lot with the API keys, and I don't want to leak the API out. So open API setting page. It's building. All right. Payment methods. Not payment methods. Information. I need to set up my payment method for open API. Then set a quota. Okay, initial purchase like $10 to the amount of between 5 and 100. Let's put 5 in there. No, don't set up automatic payments. Set the quota of $5 for now. Okay, while payments successful, so I go back here and test again. $5 charged. Rate limits reached. Wow. Right. I have another problem. OpenAI rate limit reach for GPT-4o mini in organization, something on request. Limit 3, use 3, request 1. Where do okay, set the usage limit. Enable budget limit caution, enable budget limit could result in interruption. Service budget alerts. Current usage is 0. Rate limits. Okay. Test again. Problem in node generate video caption. OpenAI rate limit reached. Okay, limit 3. Share screen again. So I got this problem with the OpenAI rate limit. What? Unable to connect to an AI service session not found. Okay, let me refresh. And we are at this step right here. Boom. Control Shift. Let's run the test. Okay, now it's run correctly. Okay, so okay, so it's run correctly. Let me open it up and see what's inside. It's not trivial. Okay. Then create list. Run this step. What is there's audit list performance. Number 2, generate image with Flux using Web API. Total cost. Openable to generate 5 Flux image prompt based on caption generated. This is not to see. And as we use the custom JavaScript to follow up how many tokens were used for each 5 generations, we can track cost later. And we generate our image with Flux using Web API service, waiting to check for failures and trying if any. And change the image model used by editing the generate call. Flux one F use of API setting. See this. Wait, get image. Generate video using Kling. Wow. Generate like voiceover with 11 lab. And then complete video would create a total cost. Score. Should I try to run everything from start to end? Let's run. Let's test, but okay, set API key, list, write a list information. Then what is it's doing? Okay, problem bad request. Check your problem in generate video caption. Bad request. Content inspection string got no. Right. Here. Oh. Okay, I made a mistake in the first step. Set the API key. I didn't save the flow before I didn't save the flow before I reload, so I lost all the API here. Set them up. It should be quick. I know how to do it once. So workspace. And here, let me hide myself now, and I set up the API keys real quick. So API keys, copy that up by API, then paste it there. 11 lab. Labs.io. Go to, then click on my profile, API keys, then API key allows you to authenticate. How do I copy the API key? There's no options to copy because I have to create again. So let's delete the old API key, create a new one. NAN cloud create. Make sure it's copied because it won't display again. All right, copy. Paste it into N8N. Next thing is create tomate. And the API from project settings. Where is it? Where did I get the API? Yeah, I have to get it. All settings. Project settings. And oh, okay. API keys right here. Click to review, then paste it into N8N. Then I need the template ID. Go back to the template, use template, API integration, copy the template, and paste. Yeah. Then okay, back to canvas. Save. Yeah, make sure I save. All right. Just screen again. I already set all the APIs keys. Now we could try again. Testing. Is it running? What does it mean? No configuration changed. Output data maybe changed again. No, executes. Run. Test will flow. Okay. All right, it went over here, over there. Okay. Got a problem here. Problem in no generate image problem. This resource is requesting. The resource you are requesting could not be found. What resource? Okay, probably the flux. But flux is going with the Oh, the resource you're requesting, the model 03 media does not exist, or you don't have access to it. Okay. Put all the API keys review over here, so I'll delete them all after this streaming. Okay. Find my screen again. Go to OpenAI platform. Set them up. GPT 4.0, 4.0 mini, OS 3.0. Okay, probably this is long ago, so the model that they asked for was O3 mini. And I don't see any O3 mini in here. Verify model ID, double check the model ID using as for this correctly spell. The model should be located, so using O3 from the list. GPT 4.0, yeah. Test tab again. Open a rate limits for GPT 4.0 in the organization is reached. No way. Let me choose another model 3.5 test. Okay. Learn something here. Back to canvas, save it. Then and hitting test workflow. Direct image from button. This generate voice application file. File for 11 lab IO. Please check your credential. Unusual activity free, which is disabled if you use proxy. And you might need to purchase a pay plan to trigger our abuse detector. Free tier only works if you users do not abuse it. For example, by creating multiple free accounts, if we notice many people trying to abuse it, we need to consider free tier altogether. Play fair and purchase play. Okay. I haven't used it once a day. Generate image. Okay, bad request. Execution failed. Alright, all good and promising, but we face a couple of difficulty on the way. So yeah, I guess we have to stop now and try it later on. Thank you for watching.